I was just attacked with a machete.
Where are you, sir? What's the address or location?
I'm in Calabasas at the McDonald's.
Okay, do you see the closest address or cross street?
It's the McDonald's in Calabasas, where Bristol Farms is.
The person who attacked you, are they still with you?
No, I ran away. I'm in my car now. I don't know where they went.
Okay. Sir, I need to know the exact address or cross streets. Can you go inside the McDonald's and ask?
I'm going in the McDonald's. Give me a minute.
Okay.
He attacked me with a machete. I was able to get away from him. And then he kept attacking me. We need to get in control of these homeless people. With the machete. I have the machete in my hand.
Okay. Do you need
attacked me with it, you know?
Do you need a paramedic, sir?
I don't know. No, I don't need a paramedic. No.
Okay.
I'll ask them right now. What is their address? If this now, I don't know what's going to happen.
We're going to send the officers out to do a report with you. I just need an address or cross street.
I don't know. Hello?
Yes, sir.
I'm walking in with a machete. What's the address here?
233 Avenue, St. Louis.
Did you hear that?
233. What was the name of the street?
Avenue, St. Louis. It's McDonald's.
Topanga units, AW suspect are now 233 Avenue, St. Louis, 233 Avenue, St. Louis at the McDonald's. CDPR wearing black clothing inside. Suspect transient male, white, 20 to 30 years, wearing a shorts, was armed with a machete. Last seen in the parking lot, unknown direction. Code 3 incident 4345, or 2183.
No, I don't.
Oh, shit. I think he might be on the sidewalk now. I don't know their description wrong.
Is the guy behind us?
Yeah, he should be on the sidewalk somewhere.
Why is he walking up our car like that?
Yeah, right.
Hey, do you got a problem?
That might be the tweaker. Does he have McDonald's bags? Yeah, he does, huh? Got him.
99, no further.
Hey, get over here, get over here, get over here. We'll chase him right here.
He's running around with a knife, dude.
Yeah, make it back.
21.
90, come in.
21 X98, let me get it back up. We're gonna be code 6 on a 14-man armed with a knife.
No.
You got it?
Yep. We're not gonna chase him through the...
Correction 21X98 is requesting a backup area and supervisor 233 and Louise. 14-man armed with a knife.
So we're going to be code 6.
A2, Roger.
What is that, Valley Circle and...
Yeah.
21 X98.
Go!
Suspect is gonna be running...
Go!
Valley Circle and the 101.
Units assigned to the backup suspect is running Valley Circle and the 101 freeway.
X98, better description. It's gonna be a male, white, long, blonde hair, wearing dark shorts and a green jacket.
Move!
21X98, are you in smoke pursuit?
No.
Dude, X98 negative. We're gonna be following in a vehicle.
Where's he at?
I don't know. I couldn't see him. Oh, he's right there. He's right there.
Where?
On the 101. Right there.
Units responding to the backup. 21X98 is calling the suspect is a male, white, long, blonde hair, green jacket, and dark shorts.
It's a little too close. Okay.
Go. All right, get the taser, bro.
I got you. Oh, he's running all the way down there.
He's running. If he runs towards these people, we're
Oh, yeah. I got you.
Continue supervisor response.
Yeah, let's keep a slight distance.
Identified.
Hey, drop that knife!
Respond to the backup, identify.
21X98. Suspect's gonna be now armed with a bottle and a knife.
21L30 West Bay Roger, 21X98 location.
Lock your windows and roll up your... Lock your doors, roll up your windows.
Go!
Move.
2182, we're with X98. We're going to be south of Calabasas Road. Next to the 101
He's gonna be
freeway.
running.
He's going into the
2182,
Hey!
code 10.5.
drop bottle now.
Hey, Sue, Roger.
Careful, dude, careful.
Yep.
Hey guys, get inside the building and lock the door.
I'm
He's
gonna
armed with
tase
a
you right
knife.
now, bro.
Of Calabasas Road near the 101 freeway.
Dude. Taser. Dude.
Get the beam back.
Yeah, I got you, man. Where'd he go?
Right there.
Where?
Through the parking lot right here.
Okay. Dude. Let's just slow it down. Don't let him go in there.
I want to lose sight of him here.
Everybody get inside the restaurant and lock the doors. This is the LAPD. Lock the doors.
He dropped the knife, didn't he?
No, he's alarmed.
Double back.
Careful, dude. Careful.
Hey, I said drop.
Get inside the restaurant and lock the doors. This is the LAPD. Lock the doors.
Drop the knife. Drop the knife. Drop the knife! Drop the knife! Hey, I said drop the knife!
Let go of the knife now.
Drop the knife! Drop the knife! He goes in that restaurant, Chic. Drop the knife now! Hey!
I'm just trying to walk away.
Drop the knife! Drop the knife! Drop the knife!
Careful. Shot fired. Put it out. Let go of the knife now.
Drop the knife! Drop the knife! He goes in that restaurant, Chic. Drop the knife now! Hey!
I'm just trying to walk away.
Drop the knife! Drop the knife! Drop the knife!
Let go of the knife now.
Drop the knife!
I'm just trying to walk
Drop
away.
the knife!
Hey, get it.
Drop the knife now! Hey!
Oh, hey, careful. Careful,
Drop the knife!
bro. Be careful. Grab his hands right away, okay? Ready? You got it? Yeah. You got it, partner?
I got the knife. This way. This way. This way.
There you go. You got it.
Then get it back on the side.
X26 Roger.
Yeah, pulse.
Both for right now on Calabasas are closed. We've relieved the sheriff unit. We have
Move my bag. Put it over there. Open it up.
You were on 91 facility.
I had sent a unit to over there. Somebody needs to try to cordon off this area. Okay. We need tape on that side to block off. I don't know how far. I have another pair of shears in the front. Go ahead and grab it.
110. We have sufficient number of supervisors and team.
Do me a favor. Give me one of those bags.
Sufficient number of supervisors there already. We have sufficient resources.
All right, buddy. Come on.
Topanga supervisor, that's incident commander Calabasas and 101 freeway identified.
Help take off all of his clothes.
2130. I'm not code 6 yet, but I will be incident commander.
2130 is incident commander, not code 6.
Side of him.
All right, buddy.
You could probably pull it off because I got this side already cut off.
You need another unit somewhere?
Come on, buddy.
Negative is looking good now. We'll get established the map post on Calabasas, the north side of Calabasas, between Hill Cannon and the off side of the 101.
Let me get another.
Got another one?
Carrington, repeat the other caution for the command post.
It should come out.
Hill Cannon, Edward Lincoln, Newark, Charles.
Here, somebody start compressing.
I got you. Do you want to put the...
Just do the compression, and I'll get that on there.
That's the off side of the